Have you ever thought of typing words and getting paid of up to $90 per day from your phone or your laptop? This is how it works. You type one word, you get paid. You type another word, and your payment increases. And the best part is that it doesn't require you to have any experience, a degree, no capital to start. Also, you can type as much as you want and make as much as you want. There is no limit to this. This opportunity is 100% free, if you might be asking, and it is available for everyone globally. Therefore, this will be a good way of earning more money on this side. Hey guys, welcome back to Arena at Home. I do how-to online videos as well as work from home gigs. So if this sounds like something that you're interested in, please consider subscribing to my channel for more of that great content. You only need to know how to type words, of which most of us know how to type. We use our phones to type every day. And also in this job, you can either use your laptop or your phone. In this video, we shall have a look at how you can apply for the typing job, the secret to getting paid when you are just a beginner. But before we continue, hit the subscribe button down below so you don't miss on any future videos. Also, if you like the video, leave a thumbs up. So let's get to the video. I like you to go to google.com and search for this website, Talent Desire. This is what you will see at the front page. So you have Start Here, Perks, Tools, the Tips, Current Openings, Find the Answers, Contact Page, and Login. In this website, you can explore current opportunities, apply for a job, get hired, start online work, submit work, collect your earnings, and yeah, don't be afraid to ask them questions if you have them. Well, that's how the website works. So here we are looking for a typing job, to be specific. You want to click here to where it says current openings. Choose a job you love. Let's have a look at it. So the first job is online typing jobs. And this is the one that we are looking at today. Estimated per day earnings, you can earn from $60 to 120 per day. A PC, an internet connection, and some typing skills are required to make money from this opportunity. This is a legitimate opportunity and it's 100% free. So you do not need to worry about online scams, as no one will ask you to invest money. Other jobs here we have are medical transcription jobs, and you can earn from $90 to 180 per day. Online tutoring jobs, and also you can go to page 2 and page 3. But our main focus is on typing jobs. So you want to click here. So once you click online typing jobs, it will bring you to this page. This page explains the jobs. Let's have a look at it. A wonderful way to earn money with your typing skill. If you want to earn extra money working from home, then online typing job is perfect for you. You will find jobs for all levels of typing skills, from beginner to an expert home-based typist. We are looking for a typist to perform typing and word processing tasks for our worldwide clients. There are no minimum entry barriers, but you can find out more about their basic requirement. You can earn up to $13,500 to $27,000 or more per year. As your skills and experience grow, so will your bank balance. Okay. Guaranteed work. You should expect to get the minimum work, $1,125 per month. That's a good one. Online jobs. We have worldwide part-time and full-time work from home jobs, on where you will need a quiet place for your freelance work. The pay rates. We are ready to pay best in the market for the typing work, but we do expect in return to you a good accuracy work in the borderline time period as our terms. Rates vary from company to company, work nature, and accuracy levels, meaning the more the accurate you are in typing, the higher you will get ranked, and this equals to more money. And we shall have a look at that. I will show you how to earn more even though you are a beginner, so make sure you keep watching. We have the level, per word price, estimated earning per article. Beginner level, you will earn this amount. Estimated earning is $3 when you type 300 words in a page. Imagine just typing. This is something you can do in less than 10 minutes, guys. Intermediate, you get 3.60. The professional level, you get 4.50. And the experts, you get $6 when you type 300 words in a page. Per page rate, expected completed typing work are 15 pages per day, 6 hours day of work. Expected earning is $45. Yeah, of course, if we type $3 times 15 pages a day, that is $45. For the expert, you can earn $90. With the above example, now you can calculate your monthly estimated earning. As a beginner, if you earned $45 per day as per above table, and if you worked in a month for 25 days, then your calculated monthly income will be 45 times 25, which is 1,125 US dollars. Earning simulator. We have designed an online earning simulator which will help you calculate the kind of earning that you can earn with us. So let's see the requirements, guys. This is the important part. Basic knowledge of internet and English. Minimum 30 to 50 words per minute typing speed on the computer. A computer with a high-speed internet connection. Joining fees. Registration is 100% free. There is no hidden costs before or after the joining, and we don't ask about investment. Payment terms. Your accuracy should be between 98.00 to 99.99%. If your accuracy is below 98%, work will be returned and payments will hold till resubmitting the said work. So this is where many people go wrong, especially the beginners. They go to apply now. Of course, you will apply now and you will get the jobs. But as I said, you can be a beginner and you can earn $3. And you can be a beginner and earn $6. If you're a beginner and want to earn $6, you don't go straight here. What you will do, you will just go to .com and type this word, Ratatype. Ratatype typing test. Yes, yeah, this one here. Click this. Take a typing test and we shall begin typing now. You will test how fast you can type. Once you've taken the test, you'll get the certificate. Go ahead and print the certificate, and once you have this certificate, even if you're new, you can get high-paying tasks. So now go to apply now. If you're still enjoying, make sure you subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up before we continue. Leave questions in the comment section below. I will be willing to answer. So this is how your application page will look like. Click select an application form, and it will land you to this page. Here you will see online application and offline application forms. So you want to click on the online application form. And just scroll down and click here. It will land you to this page. Scroll down. Privacy policy, read and accept it. I like you to go ahead and fill in your basic information. So here in the job title, you can type in professional data entry. What time is best for you? The best way to receive your earnings. They have Payoneer, PayPal, wire transfer. I always choose PayPal. Terms of submission. We have current professional status. We have housewife, student, I'm self-employed. Well, as you can see, this job is for everyone. Everyone, guys. So go through this, and once you're satisfied, tick the box. After here, you will sign and submit. Thank you for your application. We will be in touch soon. After you click submit and your application gets accepted, you will immediately start receiving typing tasks and you begin working on them and earn money from home. So that's it, guys. Go ahead and start making money online. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.